Hi folks, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School, covering a lesson today on Gaston Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York, right? This is one of the area here we cover here at Pierre Driving School. We're going to do a few left and right things there for us to be paid attention to when we're doing driving lesson here. As you guys going up again, we've already seen that the bike lane is being shared on the right side of the road. And we see this intersection here is kind of busy. We're falling back here because we don't want to be blocking the intersection as the light turn red, all right? Just Gaston here, Brooklyn, New York. Part of the area we cover lesson here, Pierre Driving School. If you do live in the area, you wanna I'll help you. Can check pierrepauldraving.com. Can definitely help you. Now the traffic card is jammed here with the UPS truck. You see, too much thing going on here. Should have been that tight, but the UPS is just held them back. But I have enough room. That's why I proceed. But normally never pull completely up until you have full control. Here, traffic is on my right side, mirror left, shoulder left. We're going around. Okay, coming back the same way. We're signaling right, mirror right, shoulder right, coming back, all right? When we stop, we'll actually see the tire of the car in front of us touching the ground, okay? Folks, we keep saying those things because those are the way that by keep doing it, you'll get on a position for you to pass your road test and be very comfortable with the thing that that are expected for you to do. All right, boyfriends on this tell we that all the time, because until after you finish passing your license, you're gonna always build up more skills, and those things gonna always be applicable until you fully get them down pack. Remember, at some point once you're driving, you will already know how to manage your car, but to go for a road test is some specific thing they're looking for. You're supposed to be able to deliver up to that level. I'm seeing the light ahead is already blinking to turn red, covering my brake. So when I come here, I come to a complete stop, nice and smooth with no excess. You see I'm stopping here? Nice and smooth. When you stop losing the first white line, that's when you finalize your stop. This is Gaston, Brooklyn, New York, Gaston Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York, one of the area we cover here. Oh, by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do that and hit the notification squad. So because each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you know anybody that may benefit from this content, share that video with them, because helping somebody to get the license here in the US is one of the biggest gifts you can give them, because one way or another, license can enhance your life. Speed bump, we slow down within the bump that we're supposed to be, nice and smooth. Foot covering the brake, nothing heavy. Okay, walling up, let the car go. I'm saying the light is already blinking. I'm not going to go any fast because we do not want to run a yellow light. You see, nice and smooth here. We're following. If we were accelerating on top of heavy, what would have happened? We would have run the yellow light. For the purpose of the road test, yellow light mean red. You never want to take a yellow line while you're doing your road test. That will not be acceptable. They will fail you the test. So those, when you're driving by yourself, if you take a yellow line and the police are around, they can give you a ticket. What's the meaning of yellow light? Slow down and ready to stop. The minute you can do that, you're way ahead of 90 people that cannot do those things as simple as it can be. Paying attention both direction, light is moving clear. You see, you accelerate very slow. You don't go heavy on the accelerator, the car will be jumping. We do not want that, especially when you're training to do your road test here, all right? Traffic ahead moving nice, covering my brake here, going nice and smooth. Okay, I'm already see so many cars parked on my right side. Now what I noticed that the bike lane that was shared come individual here is not sharing up here. What do I need to do? I cannot be on the bike lane since it's not shared as it was back there. The light ahead of me is blinking. I'm slowing down. Forward planning all your moves. Always see ahead what is the next move that you're gonna make. You do not want to be in a position. You see how wide is this intersection, how long it is. By the way, for me to cross over the white line, the yellow line, I would have get caught with that intersection for the purpose of the road test. That would have been it. We cannot run any yellow line for whatsoever as you're doing your road test. Just at the level you want to start delivering, okay? Remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. We can definitely help Pierre Driving School, giving you the tips, give you the tools, give you the tricks thereof for you to be able to master those things. Check our website, pierrepauldraving.com, or you can call the office if you're in the New York area, okay? We're going here at the, see, bumpy road, covering the brake. Why? Because the car tends to pick up some speed, all right? Going here nice and smooth. I'm seeing here I'm at 13. I got way more than enough time without doing any extra to clear the light, see? way more than extra time without doing any extra to clear the light. As I'm coming up, I'm already see the left light is blinking. There is no way I'm gonna make it. I start slowing down. When I get there, it's gonna be completely red. Showing my attention, we're making a right turn at the light here. Mirror right, shoulder right. You see, when I get there, completely red. You do not want to try to excess your speed to take the light. You will take the light, but you will not take the license home that day, as we're supposed to do what I offer you expecting for us to do to pass the road test with flying color. The minute we understand that, it changes everything, because many people oftentimes what they do, they're not doing the thing that they know they're supposed to do, because reason why they wanted to show the examiner they're doing something that the examiner are not looking for. Do your thing and take your time and pass your test with no issue. We're making a right turn here. The motor is there, right? We did not run to the light. And what do we do before making the turn? We're going to verify mirror right and shoulder right and make the turn. As you can deliver to that level, you'll be well off taking your road test with confidence, because trust and believe, once you do what you're supposed to do, guess what you're going to get? You're going to get what you're supposed to get. There is no way around it. But if you do otherwise, what are you going to get? You're going to get otherwise. All this can be avoided by doing what? Do what we're supposed to do. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do that, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. And hit the notification squad so you don't miss any video. And this driving school, you will cover anything driving related. Give us a call if you're in the New York area. If you even have a question, if you will, I don't know in the New York area, we can definitely help you get your question clarified, because you know why? The more question you ask, better understanding that you have, the better you do. All right, traffic moving, mirror right, shoulder right, make my turn here. Nice and smooth. Is there any human crossing? Yes, there is a human. I'm stopping here. Let human clear completely from curve to curve. It's no rush. Let the human clear from curve to curve. Okay, does she finish crossing? Curve to curve for the purpose of the road test. Verify the shoulder again and continue with my turn. Car double park on my right side. Signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. After completely passing it, what do I do back? Signal back, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back in. All right, folks. Those are the level of delivery they are looking for. I'm gonna pull over to my right here, mirror right, shoulder right. I'm gonna do a 3-point turn here when it's safe to do so. A 3-point turn here when it's safe to do so. Because traffic on my black is coming, I cannot stop engaging on the 3-point turn. Okay, traffic is clear, no traffic on my black. Check all the way. All right, going over, halfway in the middle. Put into reverse, lock the wheel all the way to the right, going back, looking behind me. Mirror left cannot pass the yellow, and to drive, lock all the way to the left, traffic on the left here, nice and smooth here, the car turning by itself, and begin to turn the wheel accordingly. Once it's completely turning, then I engage. All right, folks, at the traffic light here, we're making a left turn here. This is Motor Gaston, Brooklyn, New York. We cover this area as well. No cars is coming my way. I'm gonna pull right to the middle. Okay, do my verification, mirror left, shoulder left. Make my left turn and follow where? To the closest left lane. After recovering from the turn, continue to drive. Folks, those are the things that we're looking for. Those are the things that the DMV are looking for when you're doing your road test. Then when you deliver at this level, you have no other choice but to go home happy person, right? Because we deliver to the best that we know. Here at Pierre Driving School, these are the things that we show you how to master. Not only that, we show you to be able to, we show you how to learn how to drive a car safely and efficiently. We also show you how to pass your test with the thing that they're looking for you to do in order for you to be in a better shape. So I'm going over here, pothole, go nice and smooth, it ain't no rush. Okay. Covering my brake here, I see the light is already blinking, so I can be here nice and smooth with no excess. Right over here, good, come to a complete stop with no issue. All right, folks, this thing that they're looking for, this is the thing that we need to do, this thing that we will teach you here what to do. These practical skills will go with you wherever you go, wherever you're learning how to drive a car. You will be able to practice those things. If anything you want me to cover in particular, please feel free, put in the comment below. Like I said, that's where we got most of our video topic coming from you guys, of things that you want us to cover. There's been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, folks, keep practicing. All right, take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Let's pull over here. In fact, we're gonna make a left turn at the light here. No rush. Keep practicing, folks. Bye-bye. Take care now.